Good morning. An important aspect was that when clients approaches you, or initially they may say that, sir, simply give me a legal notice. But it is your duty to inform that the mere giving legal notice is not sufficient unless and until suit is filed within limitation. Otherwise, suit may be barred by limitation. That should be communicated to you. Otherwise, there is possibility of dismissal of suit for want of limitation. That apart, it is your duty to go through the Limitation Act at the time of issuing legal notice and understand as to practically what was the period of limitation. If you misread or misperceived, then the ultimate result would be loss to the client. And even it is far better to get a letter of undertaking from the client that the suit should be filed within limitation. Here is the case where an extraordinary defense was pleaded for running of limitation. That was rejected by Orissa High Court in second appeal. This is case AR 2021 Orissa 49. Pendra Prasad Debeta vs. Rangadhar Debeta. In the given case, both are brothers. They have joint family property, and one of the brother filed suit for recovery of sum of rupees 5,870 with interest. But actually, this amount was borrowed and he promised it for selling of the property, by promising selling for the property. But thereafter, despite the fact that he was ready with money and other things, he did not execute the sale deed. Despite the fact, thereafter, what actually had happened, he served a legal notice claiming part consideration for otherwise he may sell the property to third party. So suit was filed by treating the legal notice wherein the defendant sought for part consideration under Article 18 wherein acknowledgement of debt. The plaintiff claimed that it was an acknowledgement of debt, but unfortunately the lower court and first appellate court and as well as second appellate court rejected that claim. So you have to file, go through the Article 18, 52 of the Limitation Act, and to understand how the suit is dismissed despite the fact that the man is entitled for the money. How unfortunate he was. Kindly go through that. Best wishes.